How long does it take you to mark a gypsum panel for installation? 30 seconds? Nah, you're a pro. I bet you'd do it in 15 seconds. But what if you could do it in 0 seconds? That'd be impressive. Or you're using the newest innovation from National Gypsum, the new MaX 16 fastener pattern with patented grid marks installation guide marks. With printed measurements and fastener locations for 16-inch on-center stud applications, you can reduce material costs and increase productivity and efficiency on the job site. Because those 15 seconds add up. A 200,000 square foot job? Now we're talking more than 50 hours of labor costs. Yeah, that's a lot of 15 seconds. How do we know? RSMeans Data from Gordian conducted an independent time and motion study, pitting MaX 16 with grid marks up against the industry standard fastener pattern. MaX 16 won big. Installation using MaX 16 with grid marks saves up to 46% in installation time. And it's not just labor. The study also found that using MaX 16 with grid marks saves 24 screws per 4-foot by 12-foot board when applied in vertical orientation. For that same 200,000 square foot job, you'll use a minimum of 100,000 fewer fasteners. That's a lot of fasteners. Unless you enjoy paying extra for labor and fasteners, don't do drywall the old-fashioned way. Try our savings calculator to see just how much you could save when you use the industry's only 16-inch on-center fastener pattern. MaX 16. From your trusted partners at National Gypsum.